Hi guys. So here I am opening a box I got from Dope.Manila. They have a profile on Instagram. Check them out for your K-pop merch. For this one, I bought a BTS in the Soop mug. So, obvious ba? I'm an ARMY, baby ARMY. So, ito yung laman niya. Oh, may additional na nilagay. Ang BTS babies and Jin. So, ngayon, buksan natin. So, may seal pa siya, no? So, sticker seal. So, para legit talaga siya. So, tingnan na natin. Open na natin, mga guys. Saan ibubuksan? Hindi ko alam. Manghinayang akong gupitin. So, kaka-cutter ko sana. Pero, I changed my mind. Tanggalin lang ang sticker. Para intact pa rin yung sticker. Diba, guys? Souvenir din yan. I have only bought a few BTS merch pa lang. So, this is like my third item. And if you saw my B album, paki-watch na lang din yung B album unboxing. So, ito na yon, the green mug ng In The Soop. Ganda ng quality niya, guys. Ceramic siya, na kulay green, makinis, and embossed yung In The Soop. And meron siyang tag sa ilalim. Parang inscription ng kape. In The Soop. So, kung hindi lang kayo aware, no, In The Soop is like a series ng BTS na ginawa nila during the pandemic. So, sobrang natuwa ako sa series na yun kasi they were just relaxing, playing games, and fishing, and kung ano-ano, camping. Kaya, sobrang natuwa ako. Bumili ako. Kaya I had to have one mug or item man lang. So there, mabigat siya. Iinom tayo ng kape dito, guys, tsaka mga tsaa natin. Approved for me. So thank you again, guys, for watching, and thank you Dope Manila for this BTS merch. This is not the last budol item, so looking forward to more. For more videos and unboxing, please like and subscribe. Thank you.